How to block international calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Navigate to the Recents tab to view your call history. Find the international number you wish to block. On the screen, tap on the Info button located beside the contact's number. Here, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the Block Caller button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. This action will block the person from your contact list. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Then, scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on the phone. Scroll down to find and tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Turn on the switch for this option. Now, your iPhone will automatically silence all calls from numbers that are not in your contacts. Following these steps, you can block international calls on an iPhone.